I don't understand what are the madness happening. Actually, first of all, you need to understand that you're not some superhero that it's not my dream to get married to you or chuck you. First, understand you're like a gada. It's not what are the reports that you're a gay like that and all these are the things because your activities are like that. And the culture of what a manda with the chat and the condolum or see a real man. They will not touch any only one woman. And afterward, they will the one who is like a prostitution party chat. This is the same in the കാണുമ്പരി പോണവന്മാരെ വഹിച്ചെടുക്കുന്നത് കേച്ചറ പട്ടിയിൽ പടാ പുഴുത്ത ചേട്ടൻ ഇറ്റ്സ് എ ഷെയിം ഫോർ മീ ദാറ്റ് സപ്പോർട്ടിങ് വേണ്ടി തന്നെ ദാറ്റ്സ് റീസൺ എനിക്ക് ഗെറ്റ് ദിസ് മച്ച് ആങ്കർ ഫ്രസ്ട്രേഷൻ വരും എന്നിട്ട് നിന്റെ വടക്ക് കൂടെ ചക്ക് ദിസ് ഈസ് ഹോട്ടൽ പ്രോസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട്സ് എനിക്ക് കൂറാൽ സമയം എനിക്ക് ചക്ക് ദേ വോണ്ട് ഫീൽ എനി ഡിഫറൻസ് ഇൻ എനിത്തിങ് ആൻഡ് സോ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഓൺ ദാറ്റ് പ്രോസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട്സ് ആൻഡ് all they will be pure mind their mind is because now they don't feel any shame or anything and they will go chuck this is the same way that mutton also that's a reason she also but they will go I chuck but this kind of fellows cannot handle the top positions in the country or nation. We cannot give the hand power to this kind of culture of fellows. Okay, so that's the reason I'm blocking you. Antonio Maine, don't dream that ever in the history in India where in the past you people have dominated, controlled, side everything, entire Italian family grabbed enough well. It's enough. If you are showing so much of attitude, now within 1 month I will pack the entire family. Actually, I don't understand whether this Modi and all in trouble or not. Because yeah, this is what when people are yielding to lobby puppet. That he wasn't the lobby puppet of that Adani Ambani, these things. So that's not because of Adani only swallowing him. That's why he is in the trouble. I don't understand that. This is a very silly problem and we can solve it. This is why I went to what am I saying? This is about the crack Paranarichetta. First understand that he's a psycho mad Paranarichetta. Because of he the entire problem has happened. This in this world also this bastard only was screwing up people and dragging you to there. More than hundreds of organizations night everywhere this kachara party chatter or street one bastard party only creating the problem. Because of him all the problems started. Okay, because of that him only that Abhishek and all gathered every students, faculties and did the gang harassment. This is all. Here also he is only attacking me everywhere. That's the reason I was keep on mailing like that. So this some kachara incapable fellas are playing on the back. And still this is the thing I tried to meet you people. I came over there and first understand this is a very simple problem. First try to see anyway they have both the side have done many murders, violence created, very innocent people are died. So there is no point in that. No, so there is effective solution. This is what actually not even a single capable person is there. Then some kachara acrons or decision makers of it and the time will come and this bastard and a parent Pushpa and this Abhishek item kachara party so will screw up and that I will come and jump on the two the party. You're not even 1,000 kilometers away, you don't have any eligibility to stand in front of me. First you need to understand I have a personality. I come over those my own hard work and see today my mother went to our home and it was not able to just the entire thing my lakhs of rupees of textbooks that are not even available in India, that everything became like some soil channel means I forgot the word of that channel. It's became like a waste dump. That the entire home, the backside, everything got for that's the reason I am suffering for e kind of a lesson. That is what happening into my house and on the back of party. Everything has to cry when she died. The other party. The American Palim put the chat. Kanda Ambadali is a parana report of Prime Minister on put the chat. Mantavati, without any shame. That's the reason these fellas they thought that you thought that they are boring you, but I to Matras like a catcher of rods and interaction to Vietnam, Malaysia, where I check on a party, and then the Jivik and the child party. Kutte. Got a she gun to get the word. I feel ashamed in the political party party. I can no, which out of what your mother was like a prostitute. One who thought I shave and checking for money and it is desperate. Greed. This is not a free and girls, a car and the neighborhood parina stories. People are beating me that when I'm telling about you fellas name even. That's the thing. That's the same thing happened to Modi also. It's shut this thing. People, so much of play and so much. This is what the karma that will hit back. And you very incapable. You first kill this push over the same way that Robert Vadra. Just kill them. Then there is no use. This is for the public safety of the humanity. And the same way that Bill Gates has to be killed, that Barack Obama, then that is Amrit Rodra, Narayana Das, this ICC Narayana Das, even a kind of poor or incapable teacher, criminal poison that Digvijay Singh, that a Kamal Nath, then Mughal Vasini culture like poison dumb capable men will talk straight. Talman Kushi, the Kora. Then the Kerala that Anna Chica in the Kora Lashman, Punarai, and a couple of Parana Chetter like a Konoka, and I can chat to you. കഷ്ടത്തന്നെ ഇവനൊക്കെ വെട്ടുപിടിച്ച് കാരണം ഈ കടിച്ചു വെച്ചിട്ട് ഉയർന്ന റൂമേഴ്സ് that those optical and ഇവരൊക്കെ ഈ പരന്നാറ് പോട്ടെ സ്ട്രീറ്റ് ഡോഗ്സ് ഇവൻ ഐ ഡോണ്ട് know what you are chucking or what it's from your birth for the past 54 years this is your job the entire world in prostitutes chuck that is the only thing you know കച്ചറ മന്ദബുദ്ധി നാണച്ചോളം കിടക്കുന്ന പാട്ടികൾ unless I dry my name and I have thousands of things to do and I'm not getting time to do. That's the reason I'm coming night by 11 o'clock and I'm coming and I'm not even having time to clean my room even that much I'm running for the things and on time the bastard will spoil my all laptops pen drive അതിൻ്റെ അമ്മയുടെ ഓടിയത്ര വരെ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്ന പുഴുത്ത പട്ടി സെയിം വേലി അഭിഷേക് കഴിഞ്ഞ പട്ടിച്ചേറ്റകൾ ഇവരൊക്കെ നാണോ ചുടങ്ങി നടക്കുന്ന കണ്ട തേർഡ് ക്ലാസ് ഫാമിലിയിൽ നിന്ന് വരുന്ന പരനാറി പട്ടികളാണ് കച്ചറ സ്ക്രീങ് പിള്ളേ പിന്നെ കുറെ കോൺഗ്രസിലെ കച്ചറ ഫ്രോഡ്സ് ദിസ് ഈസ് എനഫ് ഇറ്റ്സ് ഫ്രം സോ ലോങ് വെയിറ്റിങ്ങിനെ കുറേ സിദ്ധരാമയ്യ കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് അലവിലാതി പരനാറി പട്ടികൾ Ravant Reddy. It's a shame that India will be ruled by this. We don't dream that none of you will get power. And we know that educated, hardworking people. We came of doing hard work in the soil only. That's the thing, our foundation. And then now none of you kachara fellows any eligibility to stand in front of us 1,000 kilometers away or in front of me or my family or my class at the kachara party. Ganda, you mark Chachendra, you can run into I got over when you got to get to the kachara party. When people will do something, offer some sympathy and taking, I will take whatever is coming in. Go in Italy, anything you want to come and will chat. Came a what are leaders on Taibango Chitakora, Kabils will a chart. These are not clear cut. I don't understand why Modi Shetty is afraid of. I know that these fellows are planning to move legally. People also do that. You people can, there is no need for legal procedure now. These are not dragging culture. But I know that with what plan this will also hijack the Supreme Court Bar Association. That's the reason I went to meet them. I understood their place on the back. I was trying to, call these bushwells. I was party chattel. Actually, got a finishing. I got party chattel. Kill that Kabil Chival, Kabil chasing Manacha, you correct, Kataran, anyway, how many thousands of people are dying in Manipur, Sambal and Afghanistan, Gaza, everywhere, some innocent people. So to kill this something, there is no legal consequences. And how the way they are putting chemicals and they killed that Amadonji, and you might king this and for what purpose you people are afraid of? And no protest, nothing will be happening. The way you people need to know how they. And I told that I can handle, I can lead that. That's what this pushback on or project. That is not my potential. I don't like it to go behind this kind of some conquest. So on the pour some consolation. I will go into Pacific and a party. I don't think any crowd can the only thing is he have emotional control and on me what chat. No, party. I feel ashamed that I can she can deal. A party should not come into the power and the pathetic stage for that I am blocking and when I got charity or the same way, these pushbacks are screwing up and these actually you fellows motivation, you were power models also screwing up and attacking the people. That's the reason the karma you are hitting back. And you don't think that you can hold that so much. The same way that Akhilesh the Stalin power from how many years people are tolerating. Just kill these all fellows. The problem will be solved. Shoot on the spot. That's the thing. One time action. But don't tell this you pushback. What you people are not knowing what that bastard is doing on the back with Google and all. What they're to the what disaster to the humanity. You people need to understand that. ഒക്കെ തലയ്ക്ക് ഭ്രാന്ത് പിടിച്ചിട്ട് എണ്ണ തരാ അതിരാ വിജയകണ്ഠകൾ പോരാന്നാണ് ഇടക്കളാണ് മണ്ണ് കിട്ട ശിഖണ്ഡി ശിക്ഷയും എന്നിട്ട് കുറേ കണ്ട സ്ട്രീറ്റ് ഓക്സിജൻ വിളിക്കുമ്പോൾ കുറേ ക്ഷത്രങ്ങളും കുറേ ഇരിപ്പുണ്ട് പരന്നാറിപ്പെട്ട് അതൊക്കെ വിവരമോ പൊക്കണോ ഇല്ലാത്ത മാന്തബുദ്ധികൾ അവരും കൂടി പിന്നെ ഗെറ്റിംഗ് എക്സൈറ്റഡ് അതിനകത്ത് ചക്ക് 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 ദറ്റ് ഈസ് ഓൺലി തിങ് ഡി നോട്ട് ഈവൻ വാട്ട് ഈസ് മാനർ വാട്ട് ഈസ് ഹ്യൂമൻ മീൻ കാച്ചറ പട്ടികൾ